Welcome, fellow travelers, to Best Shot Travel. Today, we're setting off on an adventure to a land of myth, music, and magic. We are heading to Ireland, the beautiful Emerald Isle. This is a place where every shade of green seems to blanket the rolling hills. It's a country where ancient stories come to life around every corner. From the moment you arrive, you can feel a special energy in the air. It's a mix of history, nature, and the incredibly warm spirit of the Irish people. We are so excited to share this journey with you. Ireland is a destination that truly captures the heart. It's a small island with a huge personality. Imagine standing on towering cliffs with the wild Atlantic Ocean crashing below. Picture yourself wandering through the ruins of a medieval castle, feeling the echoes of the past. Think about sitting in a cozy pub, listening to traditional music that makes you want to dance. This is the Ireland we're going to explore together. It's a land of breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable experiences, a place that invites you to slow down and soak it all in. This trip is about more than just seeing the sights. It is about feeling the real Ireland. We'll discover why this country has inspired so many poets, writers, and dreamers for centuries. We will walk in the footsteps of saints and scholars. We will see landscapes so beautiful, they look like they were painted by an artist. Ireland is a place that promises adventure and delivers so much more. Get ready to be charmed, amazed, and completely captivated by its beauty. It's a journey for the soul. Our goal is to show you the best of what this incredible island has to offer. We'll guide you through its bustling cities and its quiet hidden corners. We'll share tips on how to make the most of your trip. We'll reveal some local secrets along the way. So, pack your bags and bring your sense of wonder. The Emerald Isle is waiting for us, ready to reveal its treasures. Let's begin our unforgettable Irish adventure and create some amazing memories together. When you think of Ireland, you might picture endless green fields and grazing sheep. And while you will certainly find plenty of that, there is so much more to discover. This country is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and modern energy. It's a place where the ancient and the new live side by side in perfect harmony. You can explore a prehistoric tomb in the morning and enjoy a world-class meal in a trendy restaurant in the evening. This contrast is what makes Ireland so fascinating and unique. It's a land of delightful surprises. Let's talk about the incredible history that is etched into the very stones of Ireland. This is a land of Celtic warriors, Viking invaders, and Norman knights. Every castle, every ruin, and every ancient monument has a story to tell. We'll delve into this rich past, which has shaped the Ireland of today. But this isn't a stuffy history lesson. It's an exciting exploration of a past that feels very much alive. You can feel the weight of centuries as you walk through historic sites, making your connection to this land even deeper. The culture here is just as rich as its history. Ireland is famous for its music, its literature, and its art. The sound of a fiddle or a tin whistle can spill out of a pub and fill the street with joy. This is the birthplace of great writers like James Joyce and W.B. Yeats. Their words have painted pictures of this land for the entire world to see. We will explore this creative spirit, from traditional music sessions to modern art galleries. It's a culture that is meant to be experienced, not just observed. And of course, there are the people. The Irish are known around the world for their friendliness, their wit, and their welcoming nature. You'll find that a simple hello can easily turn into a long, fascinating conversation. They have a positive outlook and a great sense of humor that is truly infectious. This warmth is the heart of the Irish experience. It's the people who will make your trip truly memorable, turning a great vacation into an amazing one. You will arrive as a visitor but leave feeling like a friend. Our journey into Ireland's most famous destinations begins on its dramatic western edge, along the spectacular Wild Atlantic Way. This is one of the longest defined coastal touring routes in the world, stretching over 2,500 kilometers from County Donegal in the north to County Cork in the south. It's not just a road, it's an epic adventure through some of the most breathtaking scenery you will ever witness. The raw power of the Atlantic Ocean is your constant companion on this incredible drive, shaping the land and the lives of the people who call this rugged coast home. The undisputed jewel of the Wild Atlantic Way is the magnificent cliffs of Moher. Rising majestically from the sea to a height of over 700 feet, These world-famous cliffs offer a view that will simply leave you speechless. On a clear day, you can see the Aran Islands sitting in Galway Bay and the mountains of Connemara in the distance. Walking along the clifftop path, with the seabirds soaring on the wind and the waves crashing far below, is an experience that connects you directly to the wild heart of Ireland. Further south, the journey continues through the stunning landscapes of the Ring of Kerry. This 179-kilometer circular route in County Kerry is a postcard come to life. You will pass through charming towns like Killarney, with its famous national park, and see ancient stone forts perched on hillsides. The views of the coastline with its scattered islands and pristine sandy coves are simply unforgettable. Ireland's landscape is dotted with hundreds of castles, each one a silent guardian of 1,000 years of history. One of the most famous and well-preserved is Blarney Castle in County Cork. By leaning backwards over the battlements to kiss the Blarney Stone, it is said you will be blessed with the gift of the gab, or the skill of eloquent speech. The surrounding gardens are just as magical, filled with ancient trees, mystical rock formations, and even a poison garden. Another unmissable castle is the majestic Rock of Cashel in County Tipperary. Its collection of medieval buildings creates an unforgettable skyline. As you walk among these historic structures, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient kings and bishops. The panoramic views of the Golden Vale below are spectacular, making it clear why this site was so important throughout Irish history. Ireland's ancient East is a region steeped in 5,000 years of history, legends, and stories. To stand inside the chamber at Newgrange and learn about its precise astronomical alignment is a truly profound experience. Not far from these ancient tombs lies the Hill of Tara, the legendary inauguration site of the High Kings of Ireland. Another highlight of the ancient East is the monastic city of Glendalough in County Wicklow. In Northern Ireland, the Giant's Causeway is another UNESCO World Heritage Site that looks like it was created by mythical giants. From the ancient burial sites of Moher to the prehistoric fort of Dun Angasa on the Aran Islands, Ireland is a treasure trove of remarkable landmarks. Each one tells a different chapter of Ireland's long and fascinating story, waiting for you to come and discover it. When the sun sets over the green hills of Ireland, a different kind of magic comes to life, especially within the walls of its legendary pubs. The Irish pub is more than just a place to get a drink. It is the beating heart of the community. A social hub where stories are told, friendships are forged, and the famous crack is found. The cornerstone of Irish nightlife is, without a doubt, the traditional music session. You'll see players come together to share tunes that have been passed down through generations, with lively jigs and reels that will have your feet tapping, followed by slow, soulful airs that can bring a tear to your eye. Of course, no discussion of Irish pubs would be complete without mentioning the iconic drinks they serve. While traditional pubs are central, Ireland's nightlife is also vibrant and modern, especially in its cities. Cities like Cork, Galway, and Belfast also offer a fantastic range of options, from sophisticated cocktail lounges to energetic nightclubs. For those who love the great outdoors, the country is a massive playground. For a dose of culture and history, a walking tour is one of the best ways to get to know an Irish city. Animal lovers will find plenty of unique activities to enjoy. Let's talk about one of the most exciting developments in Ireland over the past few decades: its incredible food revolution. It is vibrant, innovative, and bursting with flavor, built on a foundation of some of the best natural ingredients in the world. Of course, you can't visit Ireland without trying some of its classic hearty dishes that have warmed souls for generations. But the real excitement lies in the new Irish kitchen, where talented chefs are reinterpreting these traditions with modern flair. This culinary renaissance isn't just confined to expensive, high-end restaurants. You'll find this commitment to quality in cozy gastropubs. One of the best ways to connect with Ireland's thriving food culture is to visit one of its many bustling local markets. Finding a bargain while eating and drinking your way through Ireland is easier than you might think. Many pubs and restaurants offer an early bird menu. Similarly, look for pub carvery lunches, which offer a generous plate of roasted meat, vegetables, and potatoes for a great value. Finally, The best local finds often come from simply asking for a recommendation. Locals will always know the hidden gems that offer the best food and the most authentic atmosphere, away from the tourist traps. When it comes to celebrations, there is one day when the eyes of the world turn to Ireland, St. Patrick's Day. The centerpiece of the celebration is the Grand Parade, and Dublin hosts the largest and most spectacular of them all. The parade winds its way through the historic streets of the capital, cheered on by hundreds of thousands of enthusiastic spectators. In smaller villages, the celebrations can be even more charming and intimate. One of the most prestigious is the Galway International Arts Festival, which takes place over 2 weeks every July. For fans of traditional Irish music, the Fleadh Cheabhail na Harayan is the ultimate event. The Bloomsday Festival, held in Dublin on June 16th, is a unique and wonderfully eccentric event. The most famous of these is Halloween, which originated from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Another ancient festival that is seeing a modern revival is the Puck Fair in Killorglin, County Kerry. Food and harvest are also at the heart of many Irish celebrations. The Galway International Oyster and Seafood Festival is one of the world's most recognized food festivals. As our journey through the Emerald Isle comes to a close, it's time to reflect on the incredible tapestry of experiences this country offers. What makes Ireland so special is that it's a country with a huge heart. The beauty of the landscape is matched only by the warmth of its people. This genuine friendliness and positive spirit are the threads that weave your travel memories into something truly unforgettable. We hope this journey has inspired you and ignited a desire to create your own Irish adventure. Your perfect Irish holiday is out there, a unique story that only you can write through your own experiences and connections. It is in these simple, authentic interactions that you will find the true essence of Ireland. The Emerald Isle is waiting with open arms, ready to share its beauty, its history, and its heart with you. Your Irish story is waiting to be written, and we know it will be a brilliant one. We hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy traveling and always smile. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up with our latest videos. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release our next travel guide, taking you to another amazing corner of our beautiful planet. From all of us here at Best Shot Travel, farewell for now, and we'll see you on the next trip.